Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. When carrying out a smoke test, QA teams may use metrics to assess the results of a smoke test and judge whether the test has passed or failed. As well as considering whether the software is able to perform its core functions properly, smoke test metrics might assess the speed and load times of software, among other things. 1. Software speed. Smoke tests can be used to check that software speed and loading times meet certain criteria outlined within individual test cases. For example, if you are testing how the software behaves when you load the application and the application loads as expected, but it takes 2 minutes to boot up, you may mark this as a fail because it doesn't meet your expected loading time. 2. Reliability. Running your smoke test twice can also help you to test the reliability of your software. If certain test cases pass once but fail once, this indicates that some error in the code is causing errors that may not occur every time the software is used but can still cause serious problems for users. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.